Hey everybody, this is Jay. Welcome to the members only exclusive content with this membership. Even if you're at the $5 tier, first of all, I just want to welcome you guys to the new memberships that we are setting up for the channel. What this means is that you're going to get 5 videos a month, which roughly works out to be something like $1 per video. And what this is going to help us do is it's going to help us to increase the content that is on the channel, but it's also going to help us to provide some exclusive trainings to members only. You know, when I purchase some of these software programs, I'm always deep diving into the software programs to figure out how I can make more money with them in my content business. And so what I'm going to be doing is sharing with you those tutorials, sort of a behind the scenes tutorials. And so this helps to support the content and the quality of the content, and just to make sure that we're really putting out good quality stuff. Also, we're going to be doing some very exclusive random channel reviews for members. So if you are a member and you're struggling with your YouTube channel, we're going to be able to offer some member only exclusive channel reviews that we're going to do, and we're going to put those in our membership area. Also, we're going to, like I said, put additional videos on software, and we're going to have all sorts of different tutorials that should help you in your content creation business. This will help you with use cases, and this will also help you to grow over time. I just want to thank you for being a member, not just for the viewership, but I also want to thank you for diving in and helping us with your wallet. This just helps us to, create better content, and content that we think will be, top tier content for those of you who really like my reviews and support the channel. Thank you so much, and I'll see you in the very next video.